Opening a Euro account in Wise is actually one of the easiest things you can do, even if you have zero experience. Start by downloading the Wise app and signing up with your email address. After verifying your email, Wise will ask for basic personal details like your name, date of birth, and country. Once logged in, you'll see an option called Open a Balance or Add a New Currency. Tap on that and scroll until you find EUR, which stands for Euro. Select Euro and Wise will automatically create a Euro balance for you. In many countries, Wise also provides Euro bank details, such as an IBAN. This means you can receive euros just like a local European bank account. You do not need to link your own bank account immediately to open this balance. Wise may ask you to complete identity verification by uploading an ID document like a passport or Aadhaar, and sometimes a selfie. This is normal and required by law. Once verified, your Euro account becomes fully active. You can now receive euros from anyone, hold them, convert them to other currencies, or spend them using a Wise debit card. If you don't see IBAN details instantly, don't panic. Some regions get balance access first and bank details later. Wise will clearly show what features are available to you. This Euro account is extremely useful for freelancers, international payments, and online subscriptions priced in euros. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more beginner-friendly Wise tutorials. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.